Living a good life is deeply personal and can vary depending on your values, circumstances, and aspirations. However, there are universal principles and practices that many find helpful in fostering a meaningful, fulfilling life. Here's a guide. Understand yourself. Define your values. Reflect on what truly matters to you: family, freedom, creativity, learning, kindness, etc. Set goals. Align your actions with your long-term aspirations. Practice self-awareness. Regularly assess your emotions, habits, and thought patterns. Cultivate meaningful relationships. Connect deeply. Spend quality time with loved ones and nurture relationships built on trust and respect. Communicate openly. Listen with empathy and express yourself honestly. Surround yourself with positivity. Seek relationships that inspire and support you. Prioritize health, physical health. Exercise regularly. Eat nutritious foods, and get enough sleep. Mental health. Manage stress through mindfulness, therapy, or relaxation techniques. Avoid harmful habits. Limit behaviors that compromise your well-being. Contribute to others. Help and serve. Volunteer, mentor, or simply show kindness in everyday interactions. Share your talents. Use your skills to create value for others. Foster gratitude. Acknowledge the positive impact others have on your life. Seek growth and learning. Stay curious. Explore new ideas, skills, and perspectives. Adapt to change. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth. Pursue passions. Dedicate time to what excites and energizes you. Find balance. Work-life harmony. Balance professional ambitions with personal fulfillment. Simplify. Avoid unnecessary complications by focusing on what truly matters. Rest and recharge. Make time for relaxation and reflection. Live with purpose. Do what matters. Spend time on activities that align with your values and bring meaning. Embrace your unique journey. Avoid comparing yourself to others and focus on your path. Contribute to something larger. Engage with causes that inspire you and make the world a better place. Practice gratitude and presence. Be present. Fully engage with the moment rather than dwelling on the past or future. Appreciate what you have. Cultivate a habit of recognizing the good in your life. Celebrate small wins. Take joy in everyday accomplishments and experiences.